Hi there, my name's Steve. I'm the owner-operator of HydroKleen Perth North. I'm into my 5th month now. So far it's been going really well. Steep learning curve, but really enjoying it. It's been a good challenge. My background is as a paramedic. I spent 13 years in that job. Left 4 years ago, just did some basic work as a courier while I was looking around to find a small business of my own to run. And then came across the HydroKleen one and haven't regretted it so far. It's been really good. The surprise that I see on people's faces when I clean their air conditioners is something that I really enjoy. So many people just don't realise how much dirt is hidden inside their aircon unit, and when you clean it and you show them, they're just blown away by how different it looks, and the fact that they have a like new aircon unit again. It's great to see. In terms of support from the head office, I've got no complaints. It's been really good. The fact that we're on opposite sides of the country hasn't been an issue. They're all just a phone call or an email away. Stuart's been really good. He's helped me a lot. He's always available. And he checks in often just to make sure everything's going okay, and all the admin staff have been really helpful as well. In terms of what's unique about the HydroKleen brand, to me, is the equipment that we use. It's designed and manufactured in Australia, and it's fit for purpose. It's designed specifically to clean air conditioners. So many of our competitors just don't have specifically made equipment. I think that's what sets us apart from all the rest. And just to finally, what I really enjoy with the HydroKleen franchise is the flexibility it gives me. I can choose the days I want to work, the hours in the day that I want to work, and it's just been really enjoyable just to start running a business and know that I've got the support of the HydroKleen brand behind me, and if there's ever any problems, I've got support close at hand.